Want to install Adobe Premiere Pro on your Windows 10 PC the right way? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest method to install. Let's get started. Before we jump into installation, we need to disable real-time antivirus option. So go to Start button, then type antivirus, and tap here, then click here Manage Setting option, then disable all of these 4 settings one by one as you can see here. Then we can start extract all files. First, to extract this file, we need WinRAR app, so go to Telegram app. And on my Telegram channel you can find here WinRAR download link. I will put the link on description, then tap this link and go to the web browser and it will download automatically. After the download is complete, double-click the setup file, click yes if Windows asks for permission, then click install. Leave the default option selected, click OK and then click done. Next, go to File Manager. As you can see I am already download the Adobe Premiere Pro. If it's in a zip or RAR file, right-click it and select Extract here or Extract to folder name using WinRAR. Wait for the extraction to finish. Then open the extracted folder and look for the setup.exe file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the installation and choosing the installation location if needed and clicking Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation finishes, click Finish. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Create a new project, choose a save location, and you're ready to start editing your videos. Then you need to enable these 4 settings again after you finished. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows and video editing tutorials.